Welcome. In this video I'll show how you can change the video recording resolution on this DJI Mini 5 Pro. So first, enter the flight interface and make sure to enable the video shooting mode. Now look at the bottom right corner of your interface, and here you'll find the res and FPS adjustment. Here you can switch the resolution, in my case, between Full HD, 1080p and 4K. You can also do that by going into the device settings, camera, and adjust those things somewhere here, I guess. Or at least you should be able. Not really. Anyway, you can do it from here, no problem. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So, thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.